So you want to get started with affiliate marketing, but you have no clue where to start. Well, what I did is I took my quick start setup guide that I send to people as a PDF with a short video. I actually made it into a free school community, and I'm going to give you access to it. Actually, 247 people have already joined on just the last couple days since I opened it. And I'm going to show you what's inside. So if you want it, I'll put a link right below and you can grab it. All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glen. I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been doing this for a few years now. I promote high ticket info products, usually courses and trainings, some software, and then started to promote my community. And I don't really call myself a coach. I just show you what I do. I have coaches that are much better coaches than me because they get into the mindset stuff. I just show you exactly what I do, and you can follow the steps as well. It's pretty easy. But if you are someone that needs that mindset stuff, then I will point you in the direction of my two main coaches that I use. And yes, they do cost money to join them, but it's well worth it, because for a small investment now, the rewards can go on for years. So anyways, let's dive into it. So that basically, this is my community, guys. You jump in here. I put together a classroom, and right here is the affiliate quick start setup guide. And basically, it just walks you through. Now, you can buy AI cash machines as one of the products that I promote. That's what it's set up for. But you can put any product that you want in there. It can really be any product you want. Basically, it's a free. It works on the System.io. So you get a free System.io account that goes up to 2,000. Basically contacts before you have to pay for it, so that's totally free. So you can import the funnel itself. I put an email series. The email series is for AI cash machines, but you can change it to make it whatever you want, or you can get AI to change it for whatever you want. Now, in my elite members group, I have a $20 lifetime membership group where I go way more in depth, and I have multiple funnels in there that you can use for Digistore and ClickBank and other high ticket products. Now, the one thing you do need if you want to send email is a domain, and a domain costs you about $30 for the first year, and then the second year will cost you about $60 with the domain name that you're going to be using. So every year it's going to cost you $60 or $70. That's it. But if you don't want to do email, then you don't even need a domain. You can just send people to your funnel. But I highly recommend doing email and sending out the emails. It shows you how to connect everything. And I have a walkthrough. Now the video, I should probably re-record this video, because to be honest, it's a little bit confusing. But if you're inside the group, you can just ask me what I mean. And then if you want to join my elite members, my affiliate profit pages, right now it's a $20 for lifetime access. This will become a yearly subscription, and it will be a lot more than $20. I'm not sure exactly what the full price will be, because I will continue to be adding my all the stuff that I do, how I make videos, how I edit videos, all that kind of stuff, which programs I'm promoting, which programs have stopped converting, and which ones are converting really well. That's what you get inside the group, and you're in a community that's pretty active, guys. I throw up stuff daily in there, but we've got a lot of people commenting and getting involved. So there's lots and lots of people basically at the same place where you are. Out of 247 members, currently there's 4 people online right now, so they are in there being active. So that's what it is. Now, in the classroom, you can also see the $27 course that changed my life. This is the course that I first took that taught me how to do all the marketing I do. And you'll probably see this as private, because this is only for a select few members that basically have contacted me and want to learn more and have multiple streams of income. So this is really, this will be private when you see it. It's unlocked for me because I'm the admin. All right, guys, so that's it. So all you need to do is down below, I'm going to put a link for the affiliate quick start setup group. Like I said, it's totally free. It will always be free. You're welcome to go in there. 2 rules really is that there's no self-promotion, and basically be kind. If you come in here and say crap or start spewing garbage, or I get reports from you from other members, you'll be booted. And that's how it goes. All right, guys, that's it. Again, if you're on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'm about to hit 10,000 followers. And if you have any questions at all, but this is a great way to kind of get a system set up for you. And then you, like I said, you can promote anything you want with it. It's just the basics. It's built around one program. I had to build a funnel around one program, so I built it around the one that I'm promoting. And guys, this is the exact funnel that I am promoting. Like, I'll put a link below and you can see it's exactly what I'm doing. And I'm generating anywhere from a few hundred a day to a couple thousand a day. In fact, just a couple days ago, I had a $5,000 day. So that's it, guys. Hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.